Shosho vesingoro sesifulira na ishashajura smale buyaqinisekisa ukuthi uSir Ramaphosa uzobhala ejele. Dasemoyi asho ukuthi umnumzana uJacob Zuma uzoboshwa uthi ubeka imali phansi. uSir Ramaphosa umengameli oyileli angeke azadabule nangengozi. Uyaboshwa ke manje. Uyaboshwa. Into ekuzomela ukuthi ayenze ukuthi ashiye phansi. Resign nje kusase early ngoba kahle kahle yena uya enrongo ejele. Asikandiya kakhulu ngamakhama. Athele video nizwele kwi-comments nizwele masiyasitshela ba-comment section ukuthi nifila kanjani uma ngaboshwa umongameli. Ngova kwena nga-recommend ukuthi animbekeni as ibamba lika mongameli. Njengoba i-ANC kuphasi phezulu nje kumanyunduroro kunje ubani mhlawumbe ungamsuggest. Mina I would say upanyaza ke but ukuthi ke i-unfootgrama ngepolitiki angiyazi angazi sebenza kanjani angazi ukuthi ukhethwa amakundiyani but I think i-leader mina ngisayibonile kwe-ANC upanyaza lasafe.
Cyril is going to go to prison the same way Zuma went to prison. He's going to go to prison. Mark my way. I always tell you these things and they come to happen. So I'm telling you now, like I told you before, Palapala will never die. I'm telling you now, Ramaphosa is going to jail. There is no way Ramaphosa will not go to jail. Once the impeachment process opens up, the kind of shenanigans that are going to come out of that process, the amount of evidence that is going to come out of that impeachment process, there is no way Ramaphosa will not be arrested. Police must do their job.